In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn text into an image in OpenArt. We'll walk through the full process together so you can go from an idea in your head to a polished image you can use or share. Start on the OpenArt homepage. Hover over the image section to reveal the creative options. Then click Create Image. This opens the main workspace where all the magic happens. If you see other tools on screen, click Switch to make sure you're in the image generation view. From here, choose Photorealistic if you want lifelike results. You can change styles later, but this is a great starting point for realistic scenes and portraits. Next, select the AI model you want to use. Different models excel at different looks. Some are crisp and detailed, others more artistic or stylized. Pick one that matches your goal, and don't worry, you can always switch if your first try isn't quite right. In the prompt box, type your description. Be specific about the subject, environment, lighting, mood, and composition. For example, instead of a cat, try a ginger cat sitting on a windowsill at sunset. Warm golden light, shallow depth of field. Clear, descriptive prompts give the model the context it needs. To refine your prompt quickly, click Auto Enhance. You can turn Auto Enhance on or, if you prefer control, choose Manual Options. When enabled, you'll see a more detailed, expanded prompt appear. Review it and tweak any words that don't match your vision. Keep the parts you like and edit the rest. Now set your aspect ratio. Choose a preset that fits your destination. Square for profiles, wide for banners, or vertical for stories. If you want a custom frame, adjust it to your preference, and you can also manually drag the width or height handles to dial it in precisely. Decide how many images you want to generate in one go. More images give you more variety to choose from, though they may take a bit longer to render. Once everything looks good, click Create. Give the AI a moment to generate your images. You'll see progress as it works, and it's best to wait on this screen so nothing interrupts the process. When the results appear, take a close look at each one. Choose your favorites, and if something isn't perfect, refine your prompt. Try a different model or adjust the aspect ratio and run it again. With a few iterations, you'll dial in exactly what you want.